Welcome to our channel where we make travel easy by showing you the quickest methods to check Spirit Airlines flight updates. Welcome to our channel where we make travel easy by showing you the quickest methods to check Spirit Airlines flight updates. If you're flying with Spirit Airlines, staying updated on your flight status is crucial to avoid delays or surprises at the airport. Here's a professional, step-by-step guide to help you check your flight updates efficiently and hassle-free. Step 1. Visit the official Spirit Airlines website, open your preferred browser, and go to spirit.com. This is the most reliable source to find live updates directly from the airline. Step 2. Navigate to the Flight Status section on the homepage. Look for the Flight Status tab or section. Usually, it's prominently displayed and easy to locate near the top or center of the page. Step 3. Enter flight information. You will need to enter specific details such as your flight number or your departure and arrival airports, along with the date of travel. Make sure the information is accurate to receive the correct updates. Step 4. Review the flight status. Once you submit the details, you will be presented with the latest information about your flight, including departure time, arrival time, delays, gate information, and any cancellations. Step 5. Use the Spirit Airlines mobile app for added convenience. Download the official Spirit Airlines mobile app, available on both Android and iOS devices. The app provides real-time push notifications about your flight updates, so you can stay informed even when you're on the go. Step 6. Set up email and SMS alerts on the app or on the website. You can opt in to receive email or text message alerts. This proactive step ensures you get timely updates directly on your devices. Step 7. Check third-party flight tracking sites if you want an alternative. Sites like FlightAware or Flight Radar 24 provide comprehensive flight tracking data. Just input your flight details and watch FOR Chinese letter flight progress. Step 8. Contact Spirit Airlines customer service if something feels unclear or you need personalized assistance. Don't hesitate to call Spirit Airlines customer support. They can provide detailed and specific information about your flight. Step 9. Monitor airport displays on the day of your flight. Pay attention to airport monitors for the latest gate changes or boarding announcements. Sometimes last-minute updates occur on-site that apps and websites may not immediately reflect. Following these steps ensures you will never miss any important updates about your Spirit Airlines flight, helping you travel with confidence. Remember, accurate and timely information is key to smooth journeys. And now, at the end of this guide, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more helpful travel tips.